How to apply for a seller account on Whatnot. To apply for a seller account, first of all, open your Whatnot app or go to a web browser. Then once in there, you can see Become Seller option available at the top tab. Now, once you tap on the Become Seller, you will be navigated to enter some informations. Simply tap on the next option available there. Now, you'll have to choose the category which you want to sell. And once you provide this to them, you will be navigated to fill out some information of yours, like if you have already sold some items, yes or no, or many more questions, and simply answer accordingly. If you have sold it, then tap on the yes and no, then fill out the information they ask. You can see the blank box option available there. Now fill out all this information and tap on the next and agree to guidelines and terms of service. Then submit and complete the onboarding. And approval typically takes up to 2 weeks, although some sellers are approved within days depending on category and application quality. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.